Market regulator Sebi has written to the custodians of foreign portfolio investors owning shares in 6 Adani Group firms. It has sought information on their ultimate beneficial owners. These funds include Albula Investment Fund, Cresta Fund, and APMS Investment Fund. The bulk of India investments of these firms is concentrated in Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone, Adani Enterprises, Adani Green Energy, Adani Power, Adani Transmission, and Adani Total Gas. Regulatory sources have said that Sebi is looking into the holding structure of these foreign-based funds to ensure there is compliance with its regulations. Sources have also said that the regulator might have directed the custodians to furnish UBO details, both on the basis of control and ownership. They have added that the Sebi communique was sent last week. The custodians are directed to provide information in 15 days. Let's go to Business Standard's Shrimni Chaudhary for more clarity on the matter. First, we'll look at the conditions under which Sebi seeks such details.
So the Sebi regulation mandates foreign portfolio investors to provide details of ultimate beneficial owners under the PMLA provision, which deals with anti-money laundering laws, and also for the purpose of the KYC. So custodian financial institution which deals with these FPIs is supposed to maintain the data to comply with the Sebi regulation. So what happens is when Sebi seeks such sort of data from the custodian, somewhere it means that it has some doubt or suspect the nature and the quality of the FPI. So from the data, they want to know the ultimate source of fund which investing in these FPI. They're also somewhere ensuring that the beneficial owners are not hiding behind and shouldn't hiding behind the maze of the complex structure of these foreign funds. They are also ensuring that whether these FPIs are compliant with the regulation or not. So all these things comes up when Sebi is probing or in a prelim stage of inquiry of certain stocks where they are seeing a significant stake of the foreign funds in that particular stock. So they seek such sort of data from the custodian.
Next, we look at what Sebi's concerns are in this particular case.
Here Sebi wants to know specific things like whether there is any change in the ownership, any change in the control, what is the percentage holding, and all these details have been asked by the regulator, and even the regulator have given the timeline of about 15 days to these custodians to provide the details. So control is critical. I mean, the details of control is critical because somewhere through that it can check the money flow and also the source of fund which is coming in the FPI. So clearly it's given that Sebi wants to know all those details from the custodian, and that's why they have sent that letter to them last week.
Last week, the government had informed Parliament that several Adani Group firms were being investigated by Sebi and the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. It remains to be seen whether the regulatory clouds hovering over the Adani Group of companies will dissipate anytime soon or not.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.